Yeah, you're the one that went head first into him. Coley, hey, careful. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, back up, it's okay. Hey, back up.
Yeah. How old is he?
Probably 100.
Go. We saw it when we were starting fish, Daddy.
Yeah, did you see the turtle?
Mm-hmm.
You see? Get back up, Kaya, back up. Kaya, not so close. Kaya, not so close. Well, it's gonna go in and out. Not so close, Cole. Look underwater, Cole. You see it? Do you see it? Do you see the turtle?
That's the turtle you saw yesterday?
Not the same one, probably. Probably not. Yeah. You see the turtle?
Do not touch turtles.
Yeah. Oh, that guy's coming ashore. Kaya, back up, Kaya. Honey, behind you. Kaya, that's too close. Back up a little bit.
What's his name?
I don't know. Yeah, go ahead.
Nemo.
Kaya, feed that leaf. Feed that leaf to him. Back up. Hey, no screaming. You don't need to scream.